On the 30th of December 2024, just after 7:30 p.m., police in Waukesha County, Wisconsin, responded to the scene of a deadly multi-vehicle crash. Investigators say a 19-year-old driver ran a stop sign while intoxicated, triggering a violent collision. What began as a routine crash response quickly turned into a devastating investigation.
Yes, ma'am. She was in a car accident. She will be going to the hospital. Okay? So Memorial Hospital.
I think that's it. I think it's my jaw, my leg. I get my leg cut off. No!
I just want to make sure she's okay. Is she okay? I'm okay.
Okay, she's taking deep breaths.
Were you in the car?
She is too.
I was the driver.
Can we get someone to there? Because there's a lady in there that's on
In this one? The middle one? Yeah, there's a paramedic over there.
I'm so sorry, I didn't see that.
She is with paramedics now.
Please treat this.
It's not good, sir.
Okay. I'm sorry. I was sorry.
Come talk to me, okay?
Is she okay?
She's gonna be okay. She's conscious, she's talking, she's gonna be okay. Gotta let the paramedics do their job, okay?
Okay.
What's your first name?
She's getting cold.
Jason.
How is she related to you?
Girlfriend, boyfriend, type shit.
She's gonna be okay.
What? I'm sorry.
What's your first name?
Keep
I
going.
need the intersection shut down from every direction.
What? No. We'll get out of here. No, we're not gonna. I'm sorry.
Standing, he's standing, he's moving around.
I'm really cold. I'm really cold.
You okay, buddy?
Yeah.
You got a lot of blood on you. Does anything hurt right now?
I'm just a stupid boyfriend, I guess. I was just trying to take her home. I was trying to take her home, and then all of a sudden, I don't know what happened.
Were you going this direction?
Yes. I'm not some drunkard all the time.
I don't think you are at all.
I crashed. Is she okay?
But you gotta let her be. You gotta let them do their job.
The most important person that was in the accident, I believe, is standing over there.
She is. Yeah, it wasn't me.
Next to the vehicle right here.
It wasn't me.
He's the one that seems to be most impaired.
Yeah,
like communicative and stuff.
I wasn't.
Oh, that's not.
I'm just saying, you're in such shock.
No, you. Half and a half.
Okay, do you have an ID on you?
Yeah.
All right.
I can. I'm sorry.
You're all right.
I got in this accident. He's in there, and
Who was driving?
I was.
You were? Do you have your ID on you?
Yep, that's what I'm getting right now.
Nothing hurting horribly?
I'm good. I'm good. I don't need no fire. I'm good.
We're gonna, with this mechanism of injury, we're gonna definitely want you to get looked at, especially we got some.
I know,
facial
but
traumas.
I really cannot afford.
Don't worry about the money, buddy.
Get your ID?
That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter right now, okay?
I'm sorry. I just got f***ing hit by a semi-truck, okay, man?
I got you. You're good, man. Just take a deep breath. We're gonna get you checked out by fire, okay?
No,
It doesn't cost you any money. It's gonna be paid for by the city.
Okay.
But right now, we need to get you taken care of.
Okay, I'm getting it. It's
You're okay. You're okay. Take a couple deep breaths.
Yeah.
Here, do you want me to look for it for you?
It's somewhere in this pocket.
I got you. Okay. You're okay.
That's my security, or my social security.
So in one of these, you said?
It's somewhere in this wallet. Oh, right here. It's right here.
Perfect.
Here
Thank you.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're okay. You're okay, man. Go sit on this cot. Let them take a look at you, okay?
I'm all.
Hang on. Is this the plate to your car?
That car doesn't have a plate.
Okay.
I just bought that car
Okay.
a few days ago.
I gotcha.
Jason is taken to an ambulance while other officers talk to witnesses.
This car was coming this way very fast.
This one?
No, this car.
The one, oh,
It was
okay.
coming very fast and flashing its brights.
Yeah.
And this car it stopped and started to come through to the intersection. And I saw that, you know, this one was flashing its brights, like I ain't stopping. Yeah. And
Okay.
smashed right into her. And then
What direction was she going?
she was coming this way.
She's coming.
So I was the car that just got through the intersection, and then I saw him flashing the lights. He was going pretty
This guy
quick.
was flashing the lights.
SUV, and she was already at the stop sign. I got there first, so I passed. She came in. I noticed him flashing, going fast, and then I heard the slam, and then I turned around.
So was she in the intersection first?
Yes.
17-year-old Megan Voss was pronounced dead as a result of the crash, and her dog also suffered fatal injuries. At the hospital, the driver denied drinking until investigators informed him of the teen's death. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen.